In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to pages in Google Sites. If you want to make your site easier to navigate and more interactive, adding buttons is a simple and effective way to do it. Buttons are great for directing visitors to another page, a document, a form, or any important resource you want them to click on. The process is quick, and once you know where the option is, it becomes very easy to repeat anywhere on your site. To get started, go to your Google site and open the page where you want the button to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add and arrange content on the page. Once you're there, take a moment to look at the right-hand insert panel, since that's where the button tool is located. Next, scroll down a little in the insert menu until you find the button option, then click on it. This opens the button settings window where you'll define what your button says and where it will send people when they click it. This is the main setup area, so everything comes together here. Now enter the name for your button. This is the text people will actually see on the button itself, so keep it short, clear, and action focused. For example, you might use something like learn more, contact us, view pricing, or download now, depending on the purpose of the page. A clear label helps visitors immediately understand what the button does. After that, paste your link into the link field. This is the destination the button will open when someone clicks it. Be careful to paste the correct URL because the button will send visitors exactly where that link points. If you're linking to an internal page or external resource, it's a good idea to quickly double check the address before moving on, just to avoid broken links or sending people to the wrong place. Once both fields are filled in, click on Insert. Google Sites will place the button directly onto your page. From there, you can reposition it as needed so it fits neatly with the rest of your content and looks intentional within the layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a button to your Google Sites page. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in guiding your visitors and improving the overall user experience. If you plan to use several buttons on your site, try to keep the wording and placement consistent so everything feels clean and professional.